nuclear physics and radioactivity. Under that, we are going to study what is radioactivity. What is radioactivity is that the spontaneous process by which a nucleus disintegrates with the emission of some particle or electromagnetic radiation is called radioactivity. See, what is telling that there is a process. A nucleus of one element is disintegrate means maybe becoming 2-3 parts or diminishing with the emission of some particles. So it will emit some particle and get disintegrated, and that process it is releasing some particles. That's why this is called phenomenon is called radioactivity. Means releasing of some particles by the element is called radioactivity. So what is the reason for this is instability of the nucleus is responsible for the phenomenon of radioactivity. Why this instability comes? Because in nucleus protons and neutrons will be there. Protons and neutrons in equal numbers, then there will be stability there. When they become neutrons more and protons less, then this instability exists, and they will, with some specific conditions, they will release the some particles. Then that process is called radioactivity. So phenomenon this is completely a nuclear phenomena and remains unaffected by the external factors like temperature and pressure. For this emission of this electromagnetic radiation or particles, these external conditions like temperature, pressure, humidity, and so on, they don't be responsible for that. It don't depend on that. The elements showing the phenomena of radioactivity are called radioactive elements. This phenomena was discovered by Henry Becquerel in 1896 for uranium. After that, other elements like radium, etc. also exhibit the phenomena of radioactivity that was discovered by Madame Curie and her husband. Then we'll study about the radioactive rays. Radioactive or Becquerel rays. Rutherford suggested that in the presence of electrical and magnetic fields, the radiation emitted by the radioactive substance get distributed into 3 parts. Here it is the arrangement. This is the lead block. This is the element of radioactive substance. Then this is the electrical arrangement. This is the negative plate. This is the positive plate. When supply is given, this lead block is used for not to spread this radioactivity rays to all over. To only direction will be going this, and these plates are placed because this find out the reading positive negative or of the particles released. We will study in this. The part of the radiation that moves towards the negative plate is called positive charge. See, this is this is a negative plate. This negative plate absorbs and positive charge particles. Opposite particles attract each other. So this negative plate attracting alpha particles means alpha particles having positive charge. Same way, the part of the radiation that moves towards the positive plate is negatively charged. It is called beta rays. It can be deflected by electromagnetic field. See, this is beta rays. This is in a positive plate. It is attracting beta particles. Means this is a beta particles having negatively charged. Then the part of